loyalists were fake Filipinos, even Ilocanos who stole my my Bluetooth earphone. Oh, I just want to tell the news. Oh, Bongbong Marcos has a diverculosis. Oh, diverculitis. Oh, you remember that? I do not search that. You know what happened to Nanay Baby? I remember when I heard that. What is the death of Nanay Baby? Colon cancer. Oh, diverculitis. Oh, Uncle Eugene died also diverculitis. Oh, that will be happen to President Bongbong Marcos. If he died in diverculitis, oh, who will taking care of the government? Oh, it's not Ralph Recto. It's not John Vic Remulla. It's up to Sara Duterte. Oh, when I heard diverculitis, I will tell to my mama, when is the death of Uncle Eugene? That husband of Nanay Ningning. When is the time that Uncle Eugene died? Of the husband of Nanay Ningning? When's the time? That Uncle Eugene died in colon cancer, when's the time? Oh, because he died in diverculitis. Colon cancer. It's the time that namatay siya. Oh. So this is why I remember from Nanay Ningning's husband, Uncle Eugene. Oh, he died in diverculitis. Oh, while he was in Germany. Oh, if I were saying to you, Romeo TV vlog. Oh, kung buhay pa si BBM, anong pake ko sa'yo? Like I said, kung may sakit siya, kung may sakit ang diverculitis. I am not just gonna saying to everyone. Oh, I have facts and I have lots of rumors from the source. Oh, I have the source from Banat Baya. I have a source from from the Duterte vloggers. Bongbong Marcos has a diverculitis. Oh, you see, he is very sick. You know what happened to Teacher May's dad? Oh, he died in diverculitis. Yeah, as for those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, you can pray for Bongbong Marcos if you wanted to. If he recover him, if he recover whatsoever, he will die soon and diverculitis. He did not appear in public places. I saw Bongbong Marcos. He was appear in Araw ng Gagatingan. Oh, when he was appear, he has a diverculitis. Because I know Bongbong Marcos is using drugs. Oh, what I say before, Dan Mardayaw. Ano balita? Like I said, ano kung balita kung, kung may diverculitis si BBM? What is the reason? Oh, that will be happen to Uncle Eugene. Unlike Uncle Eugene, unlike Bongbong Marcos, both of them, they have diverculitis. Oh, I say again, they have diverculitis. I'm just saying, oh, you know what happened to Nanay Baby? Dan Mardayaw. Oh, she died in diverculitis. Oh, colon cancer, stage 3. Even Cory Aquino had died also diverculitis. Oh, what happened about everyone? Oh, they died in diverculitis. You remember that Nanay Badji, she will never get diverculitis. I pray for Nanay Badji. That will be never happen. If I were saying to all of you, to all of Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, oh, listen to the news that Bongbong Marcos has diverculitis. One of the friend, Joel Ferrer, that was the uncle of David Gill, he watched the news. Oh, Bongbong Marcos has a diverculitis. Oh, that is true. He came from the source. Oh, he has diverculitis. You know what happened to Uncle Eugene? He died in colon cancer. Oh, it is what you like. You say about, oh, masigla daw si Bongbong Marcos, walang sakit. Oh, that's fake news. He's in hospital. He's in St. Luke's Hospital in BGC. And he's not in Quezon City. Oh, Mike Enriquez died there also there in St. Luke's Quezon City. Oh, Bongbong Marcos as in St. Luke's BGC. I hope Bongbong Marcos will be fully recovered if he appears in the public, because he has diverculitis. Oh, I mean, I'm just saying, when Bongbong Marcos using illegal drugs, he has diverculitis. I was told by my dad even to my mom. Oh, my mom says to me, ang diverculitis may sakit. Oh, uri na sakit, that's the word. It has body pain into lots of fluids, which is called diverculitis. Oh, just remember, to all Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, listen to Baham Hernando. Oh, that was his father, Jose Marie Hernando. He said to me, Bongbong Marcos is very sick. He has a diverculitis. Oh, it's really true. You remember, I was saying the hold the facts, the hold the truth. I just gonna say again, Romeo TV vlog, paulit-ulit lang ang pinagsasabi mo, like I said before. Oh, even Sangkay Janjan. Oh, Bongbong Marcos has diverculitis. Romeo TV vlog, if I were you, may sakit po si Bongbong Marcos. He has illness.